Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So right about now, viewers and subscribers, you know, say, an artist when named Piccolo Enigma, my people. And him do a song where say, crazy world, crazy boys and crazy girl. And I'm telling you right now, my viewers and subscribers, it is a crazy world, you know. It crazy, my people, and people are losing it. You understand? So this story what I go cover now, my viewers and subscribers, it's a breaking news. And we're a farmer, Miss USA, my viewers and subscribers, winner, Miss USA winner, jumped to her death from her luxury apartment over there in the United States of America. You understand? And based on information when I receive, people and everything, them say she jumped from the 29th floor. So you can just imagine 29th floor, you know, my people. You know how far that, brother? That means that before she even touched down there, boy, she gone. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. So, I have an article, my people, about this whole thing I know, and I'm going to read it so you can get a brief understanding, you understand, and get a look of background, hearings, and our people, and, you know, because, yo, it really a sad one, my people, but, yo, what could have really caused this? Miss USA farmer, Miss USA straight to her, but she could have been even Miss World or Miss Who people. People have them stress and them problem, and as I say, some people know if they deal with it certain ways, some people just can't take it no more. It's a crazy world. So let me just read this thing now, my people. Miss USA winner Cheslie Kryst jumps to her death from Midtown Manhattan luxury high-rise. New York, United States. A former Miss USA beauty pageant winner jumped to her death from her luxury Midtown rise apartment building, Sunday police said. The New York Daily News reported that police sources reveal that Cheslie Kryst, who was crowned Miss USA in 2019, jumped from a common area on the 29th floor of the 60th floor building just before 7:15 a.m. Kryst, who lived on the 9th floor, left a note, "May this day bring you rest and peace." The 30-year-old lawyer posted to her Instagram shortly before she jumped. Kryst obtained her law degree from Wake Forest University School of Law in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, where she was involved in a number of activities, including the National Black Law Students Association, according to her LinkedIn page. She was an associate attorney at Porter Sproul LLP Charlotte from September 2017 to May 2019 and was a member of the firm's civil litigation team. Kryst became a news correspondent at Extra in September 2019, which earned her 2 Daytime Emmy nominees. At Extra, she broke the news that Terrence Howard was retiring from acting and interviewed celebrities including Lizzo, Zendaya, Millie Bobby Brown, and Winnie Harlow. "Our hearts are broken," a tribute on the show's Instagram page stated Sunday. Cheslie Kryst was not just a vital part of our show, she was a beloved part of our Extra family and touched the entire staff. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Sad, you know. Sad, my viewers and subscribers. And boy, that note we should leave behind, my people. I don't know if I say what it reveal are some people, but it's just sad. You know, it's like she was going through a lot, my people, you know, and she just couldn't take it. Because if she said, look at the note, people, "May this day bring you rest and peace." That's the note them said she left behind, people. "May this day bring you rest and peace." Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. 29th floor she jumped from, people. From a 60th floor building. And I'm telling them, people, me up on a 12th floor, and yo, when me look down the far, you know, my people, and just imagine 29th floor, and straight down there. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. But basically, she was going through a lot, my people, and I can tell you that, you see, mental illness, my people, depression, Yo, it's not nothing to play with, and a lot of people been going through these things, and this is not the first time I'm covering story like this, people. This is not the second time. You understand? You can see a person out there, not because they in a good job, people, not because they have the money or this and that, people, but deep inside, people, there is depression. Deep inside, there is mental illness for people, and some people, you just don't know when that thing will just come on to them, people, and they just can't hold it, and they just can't take it no more. You understand? And I'm telling my viewers and subscribers, she gone. She gone, my people, and left that sad note behind. Basically, she want peace. I don't know what fully she was going through or what lead her to this stage, my viewers and subscribers. But all I can say out there to anyone, if you find yourself in any position going through anything, whether stress, depression, or anything like that, listen what I'm saying. Try to find the closest mental awareness health center, because there's a lot out there and you can easily Google it and you can easily find them. You have a lot of online one also. You have a lot of counselors out there. You understand, a lot of psychiatrists who can help. Please find them. Find someone close you can talk to. You know what I mean? Don't just keep it inside and suffer with it. Just find someone who you can talk to, explain about your situation, because as I say, there's a lot of people out there who are going through these things, whether relationship, whether financially, you understand? It can be whether on your work, your job or something, you may have that boss who's pressuring you, that supervisor and thing. But look here, do not let these things drag you down or get you down to a level where it may lead you to certain things and doing things that is crazy to yourself. It is just sad. And I'm gonna say rest in peace. May her soul rest in peace, because she said, may this day, bring you peace. And I hope she do find the peace that she want, but with the Almighty up above, boy, I know based on the Bible, there's no peace there when the Father do come, my people, you know what I mean? Because you don't know the thing of my people. It's really sad, Cheslie, right, there's a lot of people who, I've seen mourning and showing their condolences, pushing out farmer Miss World, farmer this, farmer that. And there's a lot of people, man, just showing their love and their condolences. A lot of people, so they cannot believe, they never expect, she would just gone like that, because she was living in a luxury apartment, people. Not them look cheap DB apartment. They understand luxury, And this article never say if she was going through any financial, any relationship or anything like that, It never state anything, but there must be something like this, people. And you can definitely say that she was going through some tough things, people, and she couldn't just take it no more. And she just thinking herself, say, yo, this is it. And this is the only way I can find peace, and to herself, but that's not the way, my people. That's not the way. And as I said, there is a lot of people out there who you can talk to. There's just Google them. You understand, who can help you, whatever you're going through. It's really sad, my people. So my viewers and my subscribers, just do the right thing, my people. And you don't know, so the attacking boss there. And I do help a lot of people also, sometimes a lot of people do link me up. And I would say, when I have the time, we can talk, we can go over whatever, can give them the necessary counseling that they want. And, just try to help them, people. There's a lot of people I do help, Not going to say I'm going to be accurate whereas you link me, I could get for reply to you or respond to you. But I try my best, if you can assist anyone I can, my people. I try my best, because I know it is real and it is out there, and there's a lot of us do suffer from these things, so people, a lot, some people may, you see the signs, some you may don't, but you just never know. So my people, just stay safe and go and do the right thing, my people. And please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official, Attacking Boss. Peace, love, respect, my people. Be good, be great, and be safe out there. Thank you all. Peace out. Big up.